welcome to Always Alyssa. So it is currently Christmas. We had Christmas earlier this morning and I'm going to show you guys everything that I got because I just can't wait. I am too excited. So I have to show you guys. But first things first, you guys are going to have to tell me if you guys had a good Christmas. I'm sure you guys did. I hope you guys did. So comment and tell me what you guys got for Christmas because I'm curious to know. I'd like to know. So yeah, anyways, let's get on with the video. I'm so excited. So I set out everything that I got on the floor and I'm thinking I'll just give you guys a little overview first. Here is the overview of everything I got and I can't wait to show you guys everything in detail. You know, I think I'm gonna start with one of the biggest and most obvious gifts that I got. I was very excited. So here it is. It is a guitar. It is an acoustic electric guitar, which means it looks just like an acoustic, but it has like a little plug-in where you can plug into an amp to like amplify it. But look at this. Watch this. Ready? It's teal. Like, isn't that just the coolest thing ever? Teal is definitely my favorite color. And look how pretty it is. It has like cute little birds on it. Like, I really like it. It's so pretty. I just get a nice overview. You guys can kind of see that. Oops. But yeah, I'm super excited about this. Wow, the strings on this are so nice. Oops. So cool, right? Okay, one of the next most exciting things I got is a new iPhone. I was literally so excited. I was not expecting this like at all. I don't know why, but it almost caught me off guard. I guess because both my brothers, Zach and Chris, when they turned 13, they got their phones, and that was just a little bit before Christmas, and for some reason, I just wasn't expecting it at all, so that just made me even more excited. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I'm literally so excited to open this up and get it to start working. It's gonna be awesome. Oh yeah, I also have this Fender cord. Well, I don't know if it's called a cord, but it plugs your guitar into the amp, so yes. I also got this super nice amp that I'm gonna be using with my guitar. I'm really excited about that. Okay, next I'm going to show you guys this adorable Marvel purse because you guys know I am a huge Marvel fan. Don't mind my pajamas, by the way. But isn't this literally so cute? Like, look at all the characters with the flowers, and it even has like a little Captain America shield. Isn't that just the cutest? I can't wait to wear this one. Then I got the classic hot chocolate. I have pretty much set for life here. And I've got some candy. Okay, this is definitely one of my other favorite gifts in Echo Dot. This one I also definitely wasn't expecting. Like, I don't know why, but I've never really thought of having an Alexa in my room, but I am very excited about it. I am thrilled that I can like set it in my room and be like, hey Alexa, set a timer. Hey Alexa, play music, you know, all that. So I am super excited to open this one. I can't wait to have this in my room, especially because it has like the time on it, and I never have a clock anywhere, so this is gonna be super useful. Okay, so the next one I got, other than the guitar, is probably the biggest thing, and I was so shocked when I saw it. Like, you know I'm a big Marvel fan, so just see this next one. Look how cute! It is a huge baby Groot. It even says I am Groot, and like, it's a Funko Pop. Like, it's pretty heavy actually. Like, look at this. I'm totally gonna put this in my Groot collection. Look at all the details. Like, it is so cute. I am literally obsessed with this. Like, it's just absolutely amazing. I love it. It's so cute. Here's a couple more Funko Pops that I got. Even though I don't really have any Funko Pops, I really love them. Like, I've always wanted them. So, as you guys know, I do like foxes a lot. And these are all of, like, the Eevee evolutions that are in Pokemon. So, they're all foxes. So, I thought these are super cute. Okay, you might see this and be wondering what it is. But it's actually really cool. So, I got this from my grandparents. It's like, you know, I don't exactly know what it's called. But it's really cool because, like, the sand falls down and you wait till it gets to the bottom and you like flip it again. Like, it's so satisfying. I did it earlier and I mean I could literally just watch this for hours, and it came with some little stands in case I wanted to put it up anywhere. Here's a couple little small things I got, like bath gel, this little bath bomb, which apple cinnamon bark probably smells really good, and then some like face masks. Speaking of shower gel, I got some of this super good shower gel, or bath gel, I guess, whatever. But I've tried these before and they smell really good, so I'm excited about these. Next, I'm going to show you guys some of the super cute outfits and shirts that I got. So let me just put them in a pile first, and we'll go over them one by one. Okay, so first let's start with this super cute star shirt. It came in a 2-pack. It's like just white, but it has little pink stars on it. That's the first one. Second one This one's really cute. It says The Mandalorian and it has Baby Yoda with some flowers. Look how pretty it is. Next I got some leggings, which they are a great color first of all. And I just love leggings. I wear them like all the time. So yeah, I really like this fabric. I think these are going to be super cute. Can't wait to wear them. Okay, next some pajamas because I've been needing pajamas. Like, this almost seems like it could be kind of random, but I've been begging for pajamas because I don't have many. Like, I do, but some of them like aren't like my favorite or soft enough. I'm really picky with my pajamas, so I was glad to get these because these ones are really soft. Okay, next is a super cute sweater. Check this out. Look at all the flowers. This one's really soft on the inside too, which I love sweaters that are soft on the inside. I can't stand when they're all scratchy, you know? Then this one is probably one of my favorites. It's a stitch shirt. I have to wear this to Disneyland, but look at the details. Like, how cute is that? And my brother's probably a little jealous because Zach loves Stitch, so. But this is super cute. I can't wait to wear it. It's a perfect, like, summer shirt. And then this one is also a sweater. It's very soft on the inside, plus it's pink. You can never go wrong with pink when it comes to me. Here's the next thing that I got, this cute little pineapple squishmallow, but it's also like a penguin, super cute, and this little jellyfish one. And then I was really excited about this soccer ball because it's the FIFA World Cup ball, but just a different color. So this one is super cool. If you guys know me, you know that I play soccer, and I was so excited to get these cleats. I mean, first of all, just look at the colors. These are actually the Adidas Predators, which are like super nice cleats. Look, Champions League. So awesome. And look at the bottom. They're so cool. It's kind of like geometric shapes. Like, doesn't that just look so cool? Plus, look at all this grip. See that? It's like actually, see that? That's so cool, right? And I absolutely love the color. Like, they look so nice. Oh my gosh, you guys. I just added the huge Groot to my Groot collection, and look how cute it looks. It's so big, first of all. Hand for, like, size comparison. And it looks so adorable. I love it. Okay, so moving on, I got these very cool, like, lights that you can put on your bike tires. Like, I've never even heard of that before. Isn't that so cool? Can't wait to put those on my bike because I love riding my bike. It's super fun. And then I got these really cool, like, soccer training pants or just, like, Adidas pants, but they have those stripes, but instead of being white, they're purple. So I've needed these pants for a while. I really wanted them, so I'm glad I got them. It's gonna be super comfortable. Next, I got a super cute Disney blanket. I'm gonna hold it up so you guys can see. Okay, so here it is. Let's see, where's the top? Here's the top. It's like a Disney Christmas one. Ready? How cute. Hopefully you guys can see all of it, or at least most of it. But yeah, this one's super cute and it's really soft. The next thing I got is this really adorable Lego set. It is Groot. Like, as I have mentioned many times before, I love Groot, so I'm definitely gonna have to add this to my collection. But isn't it so cute? Here's the other Lego set I got. I was really excited because this one is absolutely huge, and I love building houses like this. In fact, I had a Lego house, but the entire thing broke. So it'll be really fun to get to build this one. Here's the Lego set. It's all finished now. Okay, this next gift is like super crazy. I did not expect it at all. I know I said that for some of them, but this one, like, I don't know. I didn't even think that I could even get it. Like, I don't know. I was really happy though. I was like, oh my gosh, it was crazy. So, but speaking of, if you haven't seen the Christmas video where we get all these presents, then go check that out. It's a good video. But anyways, any guesses what this is? Maybe, maybe not. I'll open it. Look at this, you guys. I got a laptop. My very first, my very own laptop. I was so excited about this. Check this out. It's blue. Look how nice. There's a little smudge. I gotta clean that. Gotta stay nice and clean. Oh, look at this. I was so excited. Oh, it like matches my eyes. Ooh. I was really excited because, like, apparently you can draw on this. Like, you know I love art, and I do art on my iPad all the time. And this is a much bigger screen. So it also came with a stylus, which I was like, oh my gosh, I can't wait. I can do art on this all the time. And look, it can go all the way back. So then you can kind of use it as, like, I guess an iPad or just to draw on it. So I haven't turned it on or got it set up yet, but I think I'm gonna do it a little bit later today. And I'm really excited about it. I've never had my own computer, so I can edit on here, draw, and lots of other good stuff. I'm especially excited about this stylus though. Like, it's so cool. I cannot wait to use it. I'm so excited. I also got these super cute rainbow Mickey Mouse pajamas. Here's some super cute Disney earrings. Those ones are like donut Mickeys. And these ones are 0. So cute. And this perfume that smells really good. And I've been needing a new perfume. Okay, so that is everything that I got on Christmas. And I'm excited because I think as soon as I finish this video, I'm going to go down the hall, I'm going to use my new guitar and build my Lego sets, open the Funko Pops, you know, all the good stuff. So I'm pretty excited, and I'm especially excited about the guitar and my new phone. I'm like, oh my gosh. And the cleats are like super cool too. And then also the Alexa and the soccer ball and the other Lego set and my computer. Okay, that's pretty much everything. Like, I'm excited about all of it. I don't think there's one gift here that I don't like. I mean, I'm so thrilled. I mean, you guys are gonna have to tell me if you have a favorite of any of the gifts that I got, or if you guys got anything similar, like if you also got a Lego set or something like that. You'll have to let me know. But anyways, I want to wish you guys all a Merry Christmas from me to you, and of course a Happy New Year, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Merry Christmas!